What if I told you that you can start making money with the top affiliate marketing programs that actually pay well and aren't a total waste of your time? Stick around. In this video, I reveal the 7 top affiliate marketing programs that actually convert and can skyrocket your earnings fast. Also, in this video, I review each affiliate program and explain the pros and cons of each one. I dive deep into the world of affiliate marketing and its potential for income generation. Let's get right into the video now. Our primary focus will be on affiliate networks, which serve as the backbone of this industry, connecting marketers with businesses looking to promote their products. Choosing the right affiliate programs is crucial. It can significantly impact your success and earnings. We'll discuss how to identify programs that align with your niche and audience, ensuring that your efforts yield the best results. Additionally, we aim to set realistic expectations for viewers regarding income potential. While affiliate marketing can be lucrative, it requires strategic planning, consistent effort, and a deep understanding of your target market. By the end of this video, you'll have valuable insights and actionable strategies to kickstart your affiliate marketing journey. Affiliate marketing is a performance-based marketing strategy where individuals, known as affiliates, promote products or services. In return, affiliates earn a commission for each sale or lead generated through their efforts. It operates on a simple model. Affiliates share unique links to products, and when someone makes a purchase via that link, the affiliate earns a percentage of the sale. One of the key benefits of using affiliate networks is that they provide a wide range of products to promote, simplifying the process of finding suitable offers. Additionally, these networks often handle tracking and payments, allowing affiliates to focus on marketing. Traffic sources play a vital role in affiliate marketing success. You can utilize blogs and social media platforms to drive significant traffic to affiliate links, enhancing visibility and increasing the potential for conversions. Joining large affiliate networks offers numerous benefits that can enhance your marketing efforts. One significant advantage is the convenience of managing multiple affiliate links under a single account, streamlining your promotional activities and saving you time. This centralized approach allows you to easily access and organize your links, making it simpler to implement your marketing strategies. Additionally, large networks provide robust tracking tools that enable you to monitor your commissions and performance effortlessly. You can gain insights into which products are performing well and adjust your strategies accordingly. Furthermore, these networks typically offer a diverse range of products across various niches, giving you the flexibility to choose items that resonate with your audience. This variety not only increases your chances of making sales but also allows you to cater to different interests and preferences effectively. 1. Commission Junction. Commission Junction, now known as CJ Affiliate, is recognized as one of the pioneering affiliate networks in the industry, having been established in 1998. With over 2 decades of experience, it has built a solid reputation for reliability and effectiveness in connecting affiliates with merchants. CJ Affiliate boasts a vast array of merchants across various sectors, making it an attractive platform for marketers looking to promote diverse products. Affiliates can choose from well-known brands in retail, travel, finance, and technology, among others. This extensive selection allows marketers to tailor their promotions to their specific audience, enhancing the likelihood of conversions. Additionally, CJ Affiliate offers a wide range of products, including physical goods, digital downloads, and subscription services. This provides affiliates with ample opportunities to generate income through their marketing efforts. 2. Share a Sale. Share a Sale is an appealing affiliate network, particularly for beginners looking to enter the world of affiliate marketing. One of its standout features is the ease of getting accepted into the network, which allows newcomers to start promoting products without facing stringent requirements. This accessibility encourages aspiring marketers to explore various opportunities without feeling overwhelmed. Share a Sale offers a diverse range of niches for promotion, including fashion, health, home goods, and technology. This enables affiliates to find products that align with their interests and target audience. Additionally, the commission rates on Share a Sale are competitive when compared to other networks, often providing attractive payouts that can motivate affiliates to maximize their marketing efforts. This combination of easy entry, diverse product offerings, and favorable commission structures makes Share a Sale an excellent choice, especially those just starting their affiliate marketing journey. 3. Impact is a prominent affiliate network known for its robust features and extensive product offerings, particularly in the software sector. Affiliates can promote a wide range of software solutions, from productivity tools to marketing platforms, catering to various business needs. Notable brands such as Adobe, Shopify, and Airbnb leverage Impact for their affiliate marketing efforts, showcasing the network's credibility and appeal. These partnerships provide affiliates with access to high-quality products that can attract a diverse audience. However, new websites may face challenges when seeking acceptance into the Impact network. The platform often prioritizes established affiliates with proven traffic and performance metrics, which can make it difficult for newcomers to gain entry. Despite these hurdles, the potential rewards of promoting reputable brands and high-demand products make Impact an attractive option for serious marketers willing to invest the effort. 4. Amazon Associates. Amazon Associates is one of the most recognized affiliate programs globally. Amazon Associates offers an accessible entry point for individuals looking to promote products online. Joining the program is straightforward, allowing affiliates to quickly start sharing links to millions of products available on Amazon. This ease of access makes it an attractive option for beginners and seasoned marketers alike. A notable feature of Amazon Associates is its unique cookie system, which tracks referrals for 24 hours. If a customer makes a purchase within that time frame, the affiliate earns a commission on the entire order, not just the referred item. However, potential downsides include frequent changes to commission rates, which can impact earnings unpredictably. Affiliates must stay informed about these adjustments to effectively strategize their promotions and maintain profitability in a competitive landscape. Email marketing plays a crucial role in affiliate marketing, serving as a powerful tool for building relationships and driving conversions. WP Forms is an excellent resource for creating effective email lists, allowing marketers to easily capture leads through customizable forms on their websites. By utilizing email marketing, affiliates can nurture their audience, providing valuable content and personalized product recommendations that significantly enhance conversion rates. This direct communication channel fosters trust and encourages repeat purchases. Additionally, WP Forms incorporates AI features that enhance user experience, such as smart conditional logic and automated responses. This makes it easier for marketers to engage with their audience. These advanced capabilities streamline the process of collecting and managing leads, ultimately leading to more effective email campaigns and improved affiliate marketing success. Embracing email marketing with tools like WP Forms can significantly boost an affiliate's overall performance. 5. Reward Style, now known as Like to Know It, is a specialized affiliate network that originated with a focus on fashion and home decor. It caters primarily to influencers and content creators in these niches. Its unique platform allows influencers to curate personalized storefronts, showcasing their favorite products and styles. This enhances their ability to engage with their audience and drive sales. This feature not only provides a visually appealing way to promote products but also simplifies the shopping experience for followers. The application process for Reward Style is selective, requiring potential affiliates to demonstrate a strong social media presence and a dedicated following. Criteria for acceptance include engagement metrics and content quality, ensuring that only influencers who align with the network's standards are admitted. This focus on quality helps maintain the integrity and effectiveness of the platform for both influencers and brands. 6. ClickBank is a leading affiliate network that specializes in digital products, making it a popular choice for marketers looking to promote online offerings. One of the standout features of ClickBank is its high commission rates, often ranging from 50% to 75% for digital products, which can lead to substantial earnings for affiliates. The platform offers a diverse array of products, including ebooks, online courses, software, and membership sites. This site caters to various niches such as health, finance, and self-improvement. This variety allows affiliates to select products that resonate with their audience, enhancing the likelihood of conversions. Additionally, the info product space presents significant earning potential. Digital products typically have lower overhead costs and higher profit margins compared to physical goods. This combination of high commissions and diverse offerings makes ClickBank an attractive option for aspiring affiliate marketers. 7. PartnerStack is an affiliate network that primarily focuses on software companies, providing a unique platform for marketers to promote SaaS products. One of its key features is the recurring commission model, which allows affiliates to earn ongoing commissions for each subscription renewal generated through their referrals. This model is particularly appealing, as it creates a steady income stream over time. Additionally, PartnerStack offers access to high-ticket software products, which can lead to substantial earnings for affiliates, especially when promoting solutions that cater to businesses. The application process for PartnerStack is straightforward, requiring potential affiliates to provide details about their marketing strategies and audience. Once accepted, affiliates can choose from various payment methods, including direct bank transfers and PayPal, ensuring they receive their earnings efficiently. This combination of recurring commissions and high-value products makes PartnerStack an attractive option for affiliate marketers in the software space. Driving traffic to affiliate offers is essential for maximizing conversions, and one highly effective platform for this purpose is Pinterest. With its visually driven content, Pinterest allows marketers to create eye-catching pins that can attract significant traffic to their affiliate links. To succeed, it's crucial to produce engaging content that resonates with your target audience, as this will encourage users to click through to your offers. High-quality images, informative descriptions, and valuable tips can significantly enhance user engagement and drive more visitors to your site. Additionally, consider exploring various resources and strategies for traffic generation, such as search engine optimization, social media marketing, and email campaigns. By diversifying your traffic sources and continuously refining your approach, you can effectively boost your affiliate marketing efforts and achieve greater success in driving conversions. In this video, we emphasize the critical importance of choosing the right affiliate networks to maximize your earning potential in affiliate marketing. Selecting networks that align with your niche and offer competitive commission rates can significantly impact your success. We also encourage viewers to take action by exploring various affiliate marketing opportunities. You can use established networks like Amazon Associates or specialized platforms like RewardStyle and PartnerStack. By diving into this dynamic field, you can unlock new income streams and grow your online presence. If you found this content valuable, we invite you to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with others who may benefit from these top affiliate marketing programs. Your support helps us create more informative content to guide you on your affiliate marketing journey. Thanks for watching.